Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this Mother's Day glam look. Alright, so my first color, I'm just going to place it in my crease. And I'm going to go in small circular motions back and forth until that's blended in. I will leave all the product information in the description box for you guys. Now for the sake of time, I've already done my brows and I baked off camera. So in this video, we're just going to focus on eyes and lips. Alright, so I'm just going to keep repeating until it's blended on both eyes the way that I like it. Now I'm taking my second color and I'm going to start the corner and I'm just going to work my way up. And once you have those two colors how you like them, you're going to go ahead and take another brush and blend it out. Make sure you're doing the same on both eyes. I'm going to get rid of all of those harsh lines because this is the more soft look. Forgive me, y'all. I'm looking at the baby, making sure she's not jumping anywhere. Alright, so now I'm taking my concealer in NC40 by M.A.C, and I'm just placing that on my lid as a base. I'm not going to try to make this a cut crease because, like I said before, this is going to be a more softer look. So yeah, just tap it on. Now I'm just taking a rounder flat brush and I'm tapping in this gold color. I really like how this color makes my eyes pop. So I'm going to gently just tap around the lid where I put that base. And then I'm going to blend it in with that color on the end. You're going to take that color and start blending it forward so that you don't see those harsh lines. All right, and you take that same blending brush that you had earlier and you're just going to blend all those harsh lines out. It may take so much time to blend, but once you're done, you're going to appreciate it. All right, now I'm going to take my next color and I'm going to put it towards the back of the lid and just start blending that one upward. Right now I'm just going back in and I'm using that same brush I used to place that gold on. I'm just adding a little bit more gold and blending it in. And I'm taking that same blending brush and I'm going to blend that out as well. All right, now I'm just taking an angled brush with that same NC40 concealer by MAC. This is the same concealer that I would use under my eye. And I'm just cleaning up that line. Now I'm just using a bigger brush to kind of press that in so that it blends out. And then I'm going to go back in and add some powder on top of that so that it blends well with my under eye powder. All right, and with the powder, you're pretty much just going to press it in and make sure you're just following the line so that it looks really neat. All right, now I'm taking my angled brush with the NC40 by MAC concealer and I'm just cleaning up my brow line. What I like to do is like pull the concealer down with small strokes into the eyeshadow so that it blends well. This child did not want to sleep. She wanted to be in my video so bad. I'm sure y'all saw me giving her the eye earlier, but she was just so busy. I know you YouTube moms understand this. Kids gotta be asleep. All right, now I'm going back in with one of my larger brushes and I'm gonna blend it out a little bit more so that the lines aren't so harsh around the brow. Because this is a Mother's Day glam look and it doesn't have to be too extra. A little extra, but not too extra. All right, so now I'm actually using my brown It's actually a dark brown brow pencil, and I'm just lining my waterline. I really do not care to use eyeliner, but for this look, I'll just put it at the bottom. And that's mainly because my eyes are so chinky that when you put anything dark around your eyes, it just makes it look smaller. And Zora's back. Hey, Zora. She was trying to get my mirror the whole time, making it really difficult for me to record. Little mascara, not too much. And I'm going to go ahead and do my lashes off camera. And I'm going to line my lips with this brow pencil. And the lipsticks that I'm going to be using today are by MAC. If you know me, you know I love some red lipstick. Bright red is probably my favorite, but I like different types of reds, to be honest. So for this one, I'm going in with like a chocolate brown color on top of that red to kind of tone it down a little bit. Now I'm going to take that same NC40 concealer by MAC. I'm going to put a little bit on this brush, and I'm going to kind of line my lips with it. Now this is going to make the color pop and make your lips stand out a little bit more. This will also give your lip a little bit more of a dramatic look. So I figure why not do a dramatic lip on this one. I did end up putting a tad bit of a lip gloss on top of this look. Not a whole lot, just enough to give it a little shine. But I'll leave that information in the description box as well. Now I'm going to use this brown midnight color and a flat brush to give myself a little bit of blush around the cheeks. Just a little definition, nothing too major. This color gives your face a nice little contour as well. So I like to bring it all the way down to like the corner of my mouth. And there you guys have it. If you enjoyed my Mother's Day glam look, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell so you can see when I'm putting up more videos. Until next time. Peace.